Boys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Diagonal, and this is a mock entry for the ZLC July 2022 mock contest hosted by none other than Zachary's Lego Club. Definitely go check him out. He's a really cool guy. He makes some pretty epic content, and yeah, definitely go subscribe to him. He's trying to hit 2K subscribers, and when he does that, he's gonna do something special apparently, so that'll be pretty interesting. Either way, this entry, I'm be honest, I knew the mock contest was there. I don't know, I wasn't up to building something for a mock contest for some reason, but then randomly recently I just had a stroke of inspiration and I just sat down and for like 4 hours I just built and came up with something pretty epic. Also, somewhere in the mock I've hidden this green bowler hat, the best kind of hat, in this mock, so tell me where you found it and when you found it in the comment section down below. And with that, enjoy the video. Did you enjoy the video? If you did, go down below and hit the like button on this video, and remember, comment down below where you found that bowler hat if you did. Either way, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay spiffing.